In the name of Allah, most gracious and most merciful. Respected sirs and my all fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today my topic of speech is Siratun Nabi, peace be upon him. Sirat is an Arabic word which means nature or attributes. Siratun Nabi, peace be upon him, means the qualities and habits of our dear Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He is the perfect creation of Allah Almighty. He is an epitome of honesty, pity, innocence, judgment, mercy and love. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, raised by his grandfather and his paternal uncle. He belonged to a famous tribe of Quraysh. The first ever revelation sent to him when he was 40 years of age. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, thought seriously about the evils in the society and was worried to find out ways and means to remove them. He used to go to a lonely cave in the mountain called Hira, where he thought about the concept of God, religion and the reform of society. It is believed that once in month of Ramadan in 609 AD, when Prophet was meditating in the cave, he heard a strange voice. The voice was from angel Jibreel alayhi salam. Jibreel whispered in the ears of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, read in the name of Allah, the creator of all things, who made man from gallot of blood. Read, for the Lord is most gracious. He who teaches the use of pen teaches man what he does not know. When Prophet was starting to teach Islam to the Arabs, they tried their best to discourage him. Even they attempted to kill him. After conquering the city of Mecca, he was him who forgave everyone. Equality and justice were at their peak in the society during the reign. Siratun Nabi, peace be upon him, portrays the perfect picture of a true Islamic society. The Sharia law was implemented in its ideal form. The children and women were given respect. The non-Muslims were never discouraged. We have not seen an administrator who said that if his daughter commits a crime, she will receive punishment. If any person lives her life as a true Muslim, the best way to understand the depth of Siratun Nabi, peace be upon him. Thank you for your attention.